Let's add some rain to the street. We'll start by using the lasso tool. Hold Option or Out to make it draw straight lines between click points and select the top part of this wall. Make a new layer from the selection and flip it vertically. Switch to the Move tool and drag it into place. To share it, go into Free Transform and hold Command or Control on the Shift key as you grab a side handle to share it vertically downwards. And let's reduce the opacity of this layer to 50%. It all looks rather to even. Add a layer mask, and on the mask, use Filter, Render, and Clouds to produce a patchy rain effect. To hide the reflection on the vertical edge of the curb, use the Brush tool, switch to a small hard edge brush, and draw along this curve in black to hide it. If you hold the Shift key to paint straight lines between points where you click, make a new layer to add the rain. Select a mid-tone gray and use Optional Out and Backspace to fill the layer with that color. Go to Filter Noise. Add noise, make sure it's Gaussian and monochromatic noise. Next, go to Filter, Blur, and Motion Blur. Set it at a fairly sharp angle and reduce the distance. Change the layer mode from normal to hard light. And let's reduce the opacity of this layer as well. And there's our rainy day. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, please subscribe to this channel. If this video helpful to learn quickly, hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Then you won't miss any upcoming tutorials.